Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, right? Currently ranked at 176 with a market cap of about $196 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $66 million, quite very high for YFI. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So on the day, we are up about 5.7% right here for YFI. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the things we have been looking at right here for YFI basically was that we were saying we needed to see this cross, right? We needed to see the 50 EMA, which is this purple line here, right here, cross the 200 EMA, because we said if we do not see this cross, any other push above the 200 EMA basically is a fake out, right? And we saw right here, as you can see, fake out. And the moment we saw that cross, we said YFI was bullish, right? And as you can see, right, we had that cross on the 23rd of October, right? And this was basically our primary count. We said we could see a push, impulsive push above the 200 EMA. We come back to retest the 50 EMA, as you can see, right? We could try to bounce off the retest, but we were not able. We came back to exactly the 200 EMA. I mean, guys, you can't make this up. Came back exactly to the 200 EMA and bounced. And we were saying that we still have two targets in mind. The first target is right here for the $6,331 level. Our second target is still the 7,440 level. And we are still bullish. We said so far the price of YFI is still holding both the 50 EMA and both the 200 EMA. Prices of YFI are still bullish, and we can still see furthermore upside, right? So we are expecting minimum, right? Our first target, another push of about 7% right here for YFI, and basically our second target, which we're expecting in some few days, basically this month, to be a 25% push to the upside right there at the $7,400 level, right? So YFI still remain bullish. So far we are still above all these EMAs, both the 50 and the 200. And basically if we just look at the volume profile, the volume profile tells us what is happening behind the scenes, if we are having buyers or sellers, right? And as you can see, momentum shifted in favor of the bulls. We saw this huge push to the upside, which we were expecting, and as you can see, momentum shifted in favor of the bears. We began to see lots more selling coming in, but we were saying so far we held this 50 or the 200 EMA prices still remain bullish. And as you can see right here, we held the 50, right, had some sort of consolidation, go back to retest the 200, and currently we are seeing this push to the upside, right? So as you can see, momentum has flipped in favor of the bulls, and we are still expecting furthermore push to the upside. So YFI still remain bullish, and we are still bullish on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed